Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today got a pretty good project in the shop. Sorry about my throat. I just got allergy problems this week and losing my voice. So, but you got a truck in here. I'm gonna turbo that Boosted Technologies and Fabrications built. Angel out of Houston, Texas, built the turbo kit for. Here's the truck. Cool thing is it's got a lot of stuff out of the way. It's already relocated for the cool packs. Got a nice set of valve covers on it. Black alternator. All this is going out. Got a real nice throttle body on it. Never seen a catch can set up like this, but okay. Pretty cool little setup. You know, all this is gone, so turbo kit should be coming right here. Turbo's gonna be right here. All this is gone in here for the intercooler already, so it should be a pretty easy job for me. Shouldn't be too bad. Sweet little truck. Crew cab lowered. Nice truck. So see how it goes with the turbo kit. Hopefully I can get it knocked out this weekend. Should be super fun. All right, so here's the kit. Man, look at these welds. I don't know if you can see them with the light. Angel did a hell of a job on this kit, man. It is super nice, man. All the welds look good. All the material looks good. Attention to detail and everything is super fantastic. So I'll post more pictures as I get going, as we're in there. See what's going on. So got plenty of room in there, so looking good. All right guys, we got the headers on, crossover on there. Run into a small issue. Gonna have to cut this out for the turbo to sit there and then relocate the overflow tank. Other than that, everything fits really well, looks good. So I'm gonna have to relocate this too. But man, everything fits really well. He did a good job on this kit. So everything goes together great. So it shouldn't be too much longer. Get it on there, cut this out, make it look good, and then put turbo on. All right, so we got turbo in, cut this out, fits good. Got a clock, I'm gonna have to clock that and then put the intercooler in and get it all buttoned up, man. It's going in really good. So no problems. So I got that cut, looks pretty good. Clock this so the drain's in there. Got the feed up here. So going together well. Well, I didn't post much of the build going on. I had my uncle over here. We were just bullshitting around and got more of it done. Didn't really post anything, but here it is, man. Intercooler in there. Had to trim a little bit behind here to get that in there. Come around boot, come in. This was throttle body's bigger than the clamp, so I'm trying to stretch the clamp and get it on there, or the boot. But other than that, it goes good. Man, I love where this turbo sits. Pretty awesome. Different than your standard kit where it's over here. I like this kind of out of the way. Just looks cool when you pop the hood. Looks really good. So I got the feed ran, got the exhaust ran. The only thing I gotta do, these cool packs were on the frame rail down here. I don't know if you can see them. Here's a cool pack rail. They were down here on the frame rail, but with the way the exhaust was, it kind of touches them. So I got to get them in there tomorrow and figure that out. May try to run them up through here. I may have to get a custom set and long ones and run them somewhere else. I don't know. Kind of got to dig into how we're going to do that. This side fit really well. So tight fit, but it fits good. I gotta extend this wire and move it out and run it around over here. Get this box and mount it over here to the side, and then create a new line here. I'm gonna run it all the way around, but back it up. And it looks pretty good. Gotta put the injectors in it, run the vacuum lines, and then this thing will be ready to go. But did a great job. The kit fits good. Everything fits really well. There was no really maneuvering and hassling. It really went in like it. You bolted it up, V-band in, clocked everything right, and it just bolted right together. Extremely nice kit, and not very many pieces, you know. It's got one coolant line here, one cooler line here, and then connects over, boot. Super simple. It's not a whole bunch of different pieces or crazy bends or nothing insane. Even the crossover comes down, runs down here. Looks good, man. All these welds, everything he did is super great work. Header fit, the exhaust fit really well down there, so everything's really going good. If I could have focused on it, probably would have just took 4 or 5 hours. It honestly took more time getting the exhaust off. It was all welded in, so I had to get in there, cut it out, getting the headers out, and putting the headers on was the biggest problem. With these, your hands don't really fit. You got to kind of tuck underneath. I finally jacked the truck up and got them from the bottom. That was a lot easier. But this side, coil packs and plugs fit good. This side I got to figure out. I got to put injectors in it tomorrow. Figure out that. I got the oil feed, got to do the oil drain, and then we got to figure out, probably gonna have to buy a different water reservoir. Probably put the reservoir back here in the back. Figure out something with that. Other than that, man, looks pretty awesome. Great kit. I need to holler at Angel Boosted Technology and Fabrication. He did a good kit, so holler at him. I'll have all his link in my description below, his Instagram, his Facebook, his website, all that stuff. All right, today's dyno day. We're over at AMP getting the truck tuned. I'm gonna be on low boost today, just, you know, probably 5-10 pounds, see what it makes. Just on pump 93, so nothing crazy, but we'll see what it makes. Well, here's where we ended up. 11 pounds, 591, 470 torque. Not bad for just, you know, pump gas, 93, 5.3, cast wheel, 75 millimeters. So Angel did a great job with the turbo. Sam did a great job with the tune, as always. He's fucking always kills it with the tunes. Going to drive it, getting everything dialed in, and